Want to join your friends on Roblox? Roblox makes it easy to play games together, as long as you and your friends have the appropriate privacy settings and are playing a joinable experience. In this guide, I'll show you how to join friends on Roblox step by step in 2026. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app or visit the official Roblox website and sign in with your account. Once you're on the home page, you're ready to connect with your friends. Next, click the Friends section from the navigation menu. Here you'll see your friends who are currently online, along with their activity status if they choose to share it. If one of your friends is playing a game that allows joining, you'll typically see a Join button next to their name or on their profile. Click Join and wait for Roblox to load the same experience. If you don't see the Join option, your friend may be in a private server, offline, or have privacy settings that prevent others from joining. In that case, ask your friend to review their privacy settings or send you a game invite if available. Once you join successfully, you'll appear in the same game server or experience as your friend, depending on the game settings. From there, you can explore, complete challenges, and enjoy the experience together. And that's how to join friends on Roblox. As long as your friend's game and privacy settings allow it, joining them only takes a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.